like this hair. I just can't stop touching it. I just can't stop touching it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all about this gorgeous hair from Yoowigs. So if you'd like to know more, definitely keep watching. Okay? Okay. Hi guys, so the hair came in this box, in this DHL bag first, and it was super fast as always. As soon as I opened the box, I was like, wow. I was so pleased with the little bow. You guys, the littlest things literally impressed me, and I thought this was really nice. I have never received any hair from any company with a box that has a bow. So here I'm just showing you the contents. The first thing that I see is this lovely iridescent bag, and it contains eyelashes and a gold tweezer, which I thought also was very unique. I've never received a gold tweezer if you watch my channel, and also a mascara spoolie brush, all in this bag. So after then, the thing that I see is the bag, like a Ziploc bag that the hair comes in. And this is me just, unraveling everything. Also, it comes with this tiny elastic. I think that's for the back of the wig. I didn't end up using it, but definitely if you want more security, you definitely can use that. And also tags, it just shows the name of the brand. So it's like Yoowigs, like Yoowigs. So here I'm just unraveling the wig, and the first thing that I noticed was the construction. I noticed it was really, really nicely constructed. I'm going to show you more of that shortly. And also, I'm just looking at the hair itself, and it comes with wig combs, as you can see, which obviously I always take out because I don't like wig combs. It gives me a headache. And then it comes as a center part. So I know I'm going to be wearing the hair as a center part. So I just knew, because I've never done that before. So I just thought, let me do that on my channel. So here I'm just mixing bleach and developer, which I do like all the time, just to bleach the closure or the frontal a little bit more. And I'm just going to leave this for about 15 minutes. I'm going to put all the products I use for the bleach and developer. Here I've washed it and I'm just toweling it dry. So that's that. And I'm just going to leave it to dry naturally. So I left it to dry for a couple of hours. But I decided to just show you guys, how the curls look, and the curls are just fantastic. This hair is so lovely that you can wear it as a wet curl or a dry curl. Look at how my Denman brush blush. Look at how my Denman brush is just gliding through so effortlessly. This has zero products, literally just water from me washing it. So here the hair is dried, and obviously it has more volume. So I'm just gonna lay it on my head. Usually how I lay my frontals, I'm gonna be using a ghost bun, and I'm also going to be wearing a stocking cap like this. This stocking cap is a brown stocking cap that I had at home before. It did not come with the wig, so I'm just fitting it on my head. And I know that a lot of people are not really, good at applying frontals because it's very technical. I always wear newbie wig wearers not to buy a frontal. You're just going to waste your money, to me, except you're willing to learn. So here I'm just showing the ridges of the hair that came with the wig, and I thought it was superb. Like, it was done in such a way that it's not straight, it's very curving. So here I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm just using a small manicure scissors, and I'm trimming the lace away from the wig. Now this helps because you just need to cut off the lace, and the scissors allows you to have more precision. Can you see the ridges? This is literally how the hairline looks. So I was able to lay this wig on my head using this hairline, and I'm just adjusting. So first you need to plan before you glue anything down. And so here I'm just adjusting, and then here I've glued it down. I'm just using an elastic. Sorry, my elastic looks stained. It's actually just makeup from like days before. It's nothing dirty, it's just makeup. So I'm just going in with mousse, just my lower body mousse, and my same Denman brush. You guys, I'm going to spend a little bit of time showing you how juicy the curls of this hair are. So just just look at what I'm doing. Literally just applying mousse, and I think I added leave-in conditioner as well. I'm going to insert pictures of everything that I use, or name them in the description box below so you can check them out. And I'm just applying it all over my hair. Now this is like close-up shots, just to see how beautifully detangled this hair looks. I'm talking about the description box, and this is that some people be like, oh, when I say things in video, they'll be asking like, oh, where is it? I don't know if people don't know where the description box is, but if you're using your TV to watch my YouTube videos, you would not be able to see the description box on your TV. You would need to take your phone, your tablet, or your laptop, and then you just scroll from the video and you open up the description box below. Literally, it's below this screen. So you'll be able to see the website that I buy all my hair products. nigerianaturals.com for those that are in Africa or in Nigeria, and nigerianaturals.co.uk for those that are in the UK. This hair is from Yoowigs, and the link will be in the description box below. So here, I'm just creating a part with a white tooth comb. It doesn't matter if you use a metal tail comb. If you want your parts to be super defined, I'm not really fussy about that because of the style of the hair. And I'm just brushing, I'm brushing, I'm brushing. I'm really enjoying myself here. Another question people ask me is, if you glue your hair down using like ghost bond, like an adhesive, how do you take it off at night? Me, I only do one layer. I know when you watch YouTube videos, people do like, 6 layers, 4 layers. I don't do that because I like to take off my wig every night. So what I'm just doing, I just take off like with what's it called, my soap, and I just wash my hairline, and literally the product comes off because it's just one layer. Worst case scenario, I'll put like oil, or I'll put like rubbing alcohol just to remove the stain, but that's about it. So here I'm just using my hairspray just to apply it on the, what would I call it now, the front part of the frontal. It's just so that it has a little bit of lift, and I'm just going to comb the product in, so that kind of gives it a hold. You don't want to use something too hard like got to be or anything too strong, just something light hold spray, just so that it has a little bit of lift. You can go in with your prong clips just so it has that kind of cobra kind of effect, but I won't be doing that today. So what I'm going to do after here is I'm just going to go and do my makeup, wear my brows, do my face, and I'm going to come right back. So here I'm just checking out the hair. I'm feeling myself. I'm beginning to like it. Can you guys look at this girl? Look at this hair. Look at this girl. Let me just keep quiet. Ew. All right. Hi guys. You guys, it's so cute. What do you think? I think it's so natural. Like everyday hair. I really, really like it. It's just cute. That's the word. Cute, cute, cute. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. It's so cute, guys. I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. This is the camera here, but I'm looking at myself here. It's so cute. It's so cute. I like it. I think it's like everyday hair. Usually I would wear this hair as a side part, to be honest. But just so you know, well, just for something totally different, I'm wearing it as a center part. And I quite like it. I like it. You guys saw the way I defined the curls earlier. It's already dried up now. If you want a like proper wet look, you can always go back in with the Denman brush and with any of your products that you like, or with the mousse, and you would define the curls so it's very, very spirally. But I've fluffed it out with my hands already because I just like the natural look that it gives. I'm gonna try and spin around. Actually, my chair is so tight, but I'll try. Oh yeah. So this hair is so cute. I don't know if my camera is in focus because it keeps going in and out. I just can't stop touching it. I just can't stop touching it. Okay, this hair is from Yoowigs, guys. I love this box so much. I think it's so beautiful. I'm going to be keeping it, and I'm going to be storing this hair in the box. So as I said, this hair is from Yoowigs. I absolutely love it. I'm going to put all the specs and all the description on the screen. I noticed that the density was super full, and I think for short hair it's just really nice. It's not like extremely full to the point that it's unruly. It's just nice. Like, it's just nice. I'll now give you guys some cameo shots. Excite myself. Anyway, this is the hair. I really like it. I try to keep my makeup very simple, just powder, my brows, just a little bit of eyeliner and eyeshadow, and then lip gloss, and nothing else, nothing serious. That's what I'm having on my face now. I'm just checking if there's lipstick on my teeth. So yeah, I totally love this hair. You guys, I'm so sorry. The sun in this room is crazy. Like, the window is so large, so the sun keeps going in and out and in and out, but I like it. It's giving me some sort of glow. I didn't notice any shedding. The only shedding that I noticed was when I twisted it a bit. I twist like just the sides a bit. That was just the only time, of course, because I was pulling it out. When I washed it, when I bleached it, not so much shedding. I think this hair is really good quality. It was very well constructed. You could see all the packaging. Everything was just neat. I thought it was really nice. So that's about it from my hair. Make sure you guys check out Yoowigs. It's a U as in Y-O-O. Maybe it's U, but I call it U. Yoowigs, yeah, because it's just, yeah, like two. So Yoowigs, yeah. It's Y-O-O wigs. I'm going to put a website on the screen and all the details in the description box with the hair length, the exact specs, how to purchase, where to purchase, and if I have any discount codes for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video, make sure you leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.